How do you advance the truck that more drivers and fleets count on to go the distance than any other? It takes the feedback of those same drivers and fleets, the responsiveness and dedication of Freightliner and Detroit, backed by the engineering strength of Daimler Truck to serve you, those who keep the world moving. For nearly 2 decades, we've continued to perfect the most reliable and efficient on-highway truck, each generation being an integral part of your business. This is the next generation Freightliner Cascadia. This new generation of the Cascadia features innovations in efficiency, safety, and profitability, all focused on your success. As I walk you through the exciting new features on this truck, I will be pointing out how every component was meticulously designed to support one of these 3 key pillars. Let's start with efficiency. Freightliner has spent generations focusing on improving efficiency. In fact, we have improved fuel economy by more than 35% since the first Cascadia rolled off the assembly line. And this 5th generation Cascadia continues to push the limits with its aerodynamic enhancements. We all know the bumper's primary job is to protect the most critical areas of the truck. Not only does the next generation Cascadia's bumper do that, it also comes with a low cost to repair and service thanks to its 3-piece design. You can also see we have made significant design changes to the air ducts and cutouts that improve aerodynamics and overall efficiency. One of the largest improvements that was left is from the weight created by the front tires. So these new air ducts help guide air from the front of the tires to where it's needed while improving underbody cooling. And a new 3-piece composite wheel well closeout reduces tire weight, generates less drag, and prevents unnecessary airflow in the wheel well. The improvements didn't stop there. We've also created a new Max Aero bumper, which is designed to take efficiency to the next level. Through valuable customer feedback, we've made significant improvements to create this Max Aero bumper and designed a 2-piece system containing the air dam and the incredibly flexible closeout tab across the center. Compared to previous generations, the newly redesigned air dam has an improved 757-inch ground clearance, providing better durability while on the road, and comes with easy snap enclosures to make accessing underbody components easier. And now the tab is a larger separate piece, making it easily serviceable with a low cost to replace. The entire system has been tested, going not only forward over obstacles, but also when reversing, ensuring a long life. As an example of the level of detail we have taken with aerodynamic improvements, check out the industry's first full hood-to-bumper sill, covering both upper and lower gaps. This 2-piece design creates a smoother surface for air to flow. One sill is mounted on the hood and the second on the bumper. This is necessary to ensure the sill doesn't wear when the hood is opened and closed. And it prevents air that can build up around the front tires, which creates aerodynamic drag. Moving our attention to the newly designed grille. Its updated styling retains the durability and serviceability of its predecessors, while increasing the surface area for airflow. This increases the cooling capacity without a detrimental impact on aerodynamics and fuel economy. This truck is spec'd with the matte silver accents, which is an available option over the standard black grille. Following the line of the truck upward, the same way the wind would move, you will notice the updated styling lines in the hood, focus on further reducing aerodynamic drag. We've added these new aerodynamic styling lines while retaining the low cost to repair that customers have come to expect and appreciate about the Cascadia. Our all-new dual-stage intelligent headlights not only aid in efficiency, they also reflect our unwavering focus on safety. And the truck's headlights are one of the most critical elements to safety. These dual-stage intelligent LED headlights provide greater visibility at night with a 45-degree light pattern, increasing the illuminated area ahead of the truck. That drastically reduces eye strain. And the less strain a driver is under, the longer they can stay alert and attentive. While LEDs have a dramatically more capable illumination pattern, they have historically suffered from icing and fogging as they do not produce heat the same way halogen bulbs do. So our engineers designed these dual-stage headlights with integrated heating elements, capable of de-icing in cold weather. Just 10 minutes to defrost 3 millimeters of ice, and defogging in warm, humid weather. With the use of the ambient air temp sensor, the system knows when it needs to begin defrosting or defogging, keeping the light pattern clear without requiring driver intervention or downtime. The Freightliner Cascadia now comes equipped with the all-new Detroit Assurance with Active Brake Assist 6, reflecting the next evolution of safety. From the front of the Cascadia, you'll notice the addition of 4 new short-range sensors. They are also paired with a new, more perceptive long-range radar and a new upgraded camera, providing a fuller field of view. One of my favorite improvements with ABA6 is the ability to detect stopped vehicles in multiple lanes. Imagine driving down the highway and traffic suddenly stopped. ABA6 activates, and instinct is to make a sudden lane change to avoid it. Unfortunately, there's a stopped vehicle in the next lane. Detroit Assurance with ABA6 will continue to engage on the vehicle in the adjacent lane as well, keeping your Cascadia safer than ever before. This isn't the only improvement. Detroit engineers are constantly advancing safety technology, and ABA6 increases the situations that the truck will stop safely in. On stationary cars and curves, on cars and trucks that are not directly in front of the truck, or that are positioned at odd angles, and on standing pedestrians. As we move along to the side of the truck, you will see additional improvements to Detroit Assurance. The radar you see mounted here is the expansion for Detroit Assurance Sideguard Assist 2. With the addition of this driver's side radar, it now allows Sideguard Assist on both sides of the truck. Sideguard Assist 2 identifies if a vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist is on either side of the truck's blind spot, and provides a visual warning while stationary. And it adds an audible warning if there is danger of a collision with the object. When spec'd with Detroit Assurance Active Sideguard Assist, on the passenger side, the truck can also apply the service brakes at low speeds when a moving pedestrian or bicyclist is detected. Not only are these clear advancements for safety, they also help build your business's profitability by potentially reducing downtime and the cost to repair. At Freightliner, our aim is to ensure we are maximizing your success at every opportunity. And Detroit Assurance is one of the best tools to do just that. Continuing on the subject of safety, I want to draw your eye to the camera integration of the factory-installed mirror cam system. Mounted high above the doors to provide the widest field of vision, it shows drivers' views along the sides of the truck on 3 high-resolution in-cab displays. The side views can automatically pan, indicate the trailer length, and show Sideguard Assist 2 alerts. Integrated with infrared technology, the system automatically adjusts to the light to improve driver visibility at night. Hydrophobic coating works to repel water and other contaminants to enhance visibility in inclement weather. We will take another look inside the cab in just a second so you can see firsthand the improved visibility that will keep your drivers and others around them safe. Before we leave this area of the truck, there's one more aerodynamic enhancement I want to point out. While introduced on previous generations, the Cascadia now provides a newly updated and standard A-pillar deflector. The deflector eliminates the air vortex by the driver's window, increasing aerodynamic efficiency. This is a new iteration of a previous design that flares out the bottom of the deflector around the door profile to address wake coming off the hood more effectively. It also helps reduce wind noise and provides the driver more visibility during wet conditions by redirecting rainflow around the side windows. One area that is hard to see, but adds to safety and efficiency and ultimately profitability, is the all-new intelligent air system. It's built around an electronic air processing unit located under the cab and is essentially the brains of the system. This enabled our engineers to remove air from inside the cab and increase reliability of the brake system. One of the major benefits to the new intelligent air system is upgraded fittings that now hold air for up to 72 hours, reducing the requirement of idling to build up the system pressure, saving both time and fuel. The air tanks are automatically purged, which also saves time and eliminates the need for drivers to pull air cords or manually drain air tanks during a pre-trip inspection. This intelligent air system unlocks the ability to engineer our intelligent braking control system. While it's under the surface of the Freightliner Cascadia, the all-new intelligent braking control system continuously monitors inputs to direct air to exactly where you need it, when you need it. The new intelligent braking control system has several new features. The first being comfort braking, a smoother and more confident braking experience, especially in sudden stops. Because of the system's ability to distribute air so precisely, the brake pads should wear more evenly. Next is endurance braking. When pressure is applied to the pedal, it will now blend the service brake with the engine retarder, extending pad life and allowing replacement of all pads at the same time. Brake Assist helps a driver feel consistent brake pressure in various situations, such as driving bobtail or pulling a weighted trailer. Utilizing additional sensors, the system can automatically multiply the amount of brake pressure needed without additional input from the driver to come to a safer stop. The intelligent braking control system also has an integrated brake temperature warning system that monitors and provides feedback to the driver on the temperature of the brakes, providing valuable insights while on the road. All of these great new features save time and money over the course of the life of your Cascadia. These updates to the air and braking system will not only result in happier drivers, but drives more efficiency in your operation. Now, let's jump inside the cab to see the enhancements to the e-park brake and other great features to the next generation Cascadia. As I just mentioned outside, the new intelligent braking control system enabled us to design an electronic parking brake with a roll-away mitigation feature. If a driver forgets to set the parking brake and exits the cab, or simply keys off without remembering to set it, the system will automatically apply the parking brake. This may help to prevent costly rollaways and damage to the truck and property. Keeping our attention in the cab, another noticeable enhancement for drivers is the monitors for the mirror cam system. These monitors provide a greater range of visibility over standard mirrors. They also reduce blind spots, helping the driver make informed driving decisions while on the road. Earlier, I mentioned the infrared cameras. You can see what that looks like here. The driver can change the field of view using the controls right here on the driver door. Setting end of trailer lines, auto panning, and sight lines can all be done with ease. Remember how we talked about eye strain and the resulting effect it had on drivers? This is another innovation that results in the driver feeling more relaxed and recharged throughout their shift. The connection between profitability and safety is a strong one. We talked a lot about the enhancements to Detroit Assurance, but there's more. Detroit has also improved active lane assist too, with the addition of lane change assist. So, here's another scenario. The driver is actively changing lanes with the turn signal on. Radar detects a vehicle in the lane. ALA2 will counter-steer the truck back on course. The Cascadia is also equipped with the industry's only attentive driver protection system. When you spec the truck with ALA2 and Lane Keep Assist is on and active, the Freightliner Cascadia uses sensors to monitor steering input and can detect if a driver becomes unresponsive at the wheel. If this occurs, the truck will safely bring itself to a stop while staying between the lane markers on the road. There's another benefit to ALA2. At low speeds, the system reduces steering effort by engaging the servo twin motors to provide a boost of power into the system. And at freeway speeds, the system can help to provide counter steering to mitigate collisions with other vehicles in neighboring lanes. Keeping a driver fresh and well-rested results in safer operation, but we also want to make them comfortable, so they're focused on the road. To build on the active Detroit Assurance improvements, something I want you to know is the new upgraded camera, including a smaller camera housing, providing the driver a greater field of visibility. The new camera works with the radars to enable all of these great Detroit Assurance features we already highlighted. The next generation Cascadia is built with business intelligence in mind and on board. Data is continually being generated from the truck, and with Detroit Connect, we turn that data into valuable insights to optimize your fleet. Freightliner knows one of the most important insights your fleet needs is insight to safety. While Detroit Assurance is keeping your truck safe on the road, Detroit Connect Video Capture 2.0 provides valuable recordings that you can view in near real time via the Detroit Connect portal. Further improvements to the camera include increased resolution, allowing higher quality recordings and DVR capabilities. Detroit Assurance helps protect your truck and driver, while Detroit Connect safety services help protect your business. Fleet managers are now able to view the health and status of the safety systems through the Detroit Connect portal. This enables you to train drivers to fully optimize all the features that Detroit Assurance with ABA6 offers. The connected truck allows us to address a common problem. Whether the truck is abandoned or the keys are locked inside, Remote Lock Unlock allows a fleet manager to control the locks via the Detroit Connect portal. Detroit Connect offers many features that keep your driver and business on the road. But it also offers tools like geofencing that inform the fleet manager when the truck returns to the terminal. These all-new Detroit Connect features are built on the existing services that you have grown to trust, like virtual technician and remote updates. While all of these tools make it easier to operate the fleet, we've added ways to make it easier for the driver to enjoy their time in the cab, which is why we've made the new interactive touchscreen display a standard feature. In front of me, you will see the upgraded option, the digital dash. Both of these options feature Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth and satellite radio, along with steering wheel controls, physical buttons, and an integrated microphone, all of which help a driver stay focused on the road and in tune with the truck. Other features that have made the Cascadia a driver's favorite are innovations like the driver's lounge, which offers a large number of configurations. From its ergonomic design to its noise abatement technology, the interior of the Cascadia provides comfort, safety, and space to keep drivers relaxed and productive throughout the day. We hope you agree that whether it's based on efficiency, safety, or profitability, every aspect of the next generation Freightliner Cascadia was intentionally engineered for you and your drivers to succeed. The Cascadia continues to be the industry-leading truck only because you choose us. And we're excited to present you with this next generation for your success now and well into the future. Here's to those ready to lead the way with us.